some of you guys are probably gonna hate me for this, but it's okay. You'll forgive me. Just watch. We're losing some weight today. Since this Honda badge is too heavy, we're gonna be removing it. This is how I remove logos, and also a way to put them back in the same spot. Put tape and mask it. This is actually quite an expensive decal or logo. This is actually the legit Honda one, not like an eBay special or anything. Just get yourself string. This is just regular, what is this? For plumbers or whatever. It's for like housework. Or you could use floss, and then you just run it like a saw. And this works with every single type of logo, unless there's pins, which I think this might have pins. Does it? Oh no, it doesn't. Just make sure you don't drop your nice badge like I'm about to. Easy peasy. What works very good for me is this Stoner tar and sap remover. Just gonna put it on the rag. I don't like to put things on the wrap if I don't need to. Just run it on here. It should eat up this 3M stuff. Or you could use an eraser as well. Whatever you want. This is just the way I do things. See that? Makes everything soft. Okay. Use a microfiber. Just work on this. This wrap is actually pretty strong, but you could still screw it up if you're not careful. Like, don't use brake cleaner on this. That'd be really stupid. Just a bug and sap remover. Works pretty good. There you go. Then whatever scratches you see, you can always get rid of it with a little bit of heat. This is my lightweight Honda logo sticker that I got from this shop called ASLAN in Japan. They make time attack cars. If you guys are curious what ASLAN means, it actually means, I think, lion in Turkish. At least that's what the boss man told me. I could be wrong. If I got any Turkish friends here, let me know if that's about right. He named it ASLAN, the shop, because the lion is the king of the jungle. He wanted his shop to be the king of whatever shop he makes. King of the jungle. Looks about right. If this is wrong, I guess I could get another one. Let's just make sure before I press it down. You might have noticed that this is a little lower than the original location. I didn't mess up. I did that purposely. It's just preference. I thought the original logo was a little too high. There's a little bit of air trapped up here. So if you want to lift this without jacking it up, you can always just use this. Is it going to though? Can I press it out with my finger? I'm gonna have to use a smaller piece, but there you go. You guys can't even tell. I'm just nitpicking by now.